In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite social listening. This feature helps you keep track of what people are saying online without you having to search for every mention manually. You can use it to monitor your own brand, what your competitors are doing, and even broader conversations in your industry. To get started, you will go to the main left-hand navigation menu. This is where the different tools are grouped together. Look for the option labeled Listening, or you may also see it under a name like Lumen, depending on your interface. Take a moment to find the correct entry, then select Listening. When you click this, you should be taken to a page where you can manage searches and view results. Once you are in the listening area, you will notice controls for creating new monitoring setups. The next thing you will do is click Create Search. This is the action that starts a new listening project, tailored to the topics you care about. Before you click it, it helps to think about what you want to monitor. Are you focused on your brand name, your competitors, or industry hashtags? Having that in mind makes the setup faster and more accurate. After you click Create Search, a search creation panel should appear. This is where you will define the terms that the system should look for. Now you will type your target brand names, competitor profiles, or industry hashtags into the search field. Start by entering the first brand name that you want to track. If your goal is to watch competitors, add their names as well. You can also include industry hashtags if you want to capture the broader conversations where your audience discusses topics related to your field. As you type, pay attention to the way the interface responds. Some platforms may suggest related terms or show hints about matching content. Even if you do not see suggestions, continue entering your terms carefully. Make sure you use the exact names you want to monitor so that the results are relevant. For example, if you track a competitor, include the competitor name exactly as it appears in public posts. If you track a hashtag, include the hashtag format that people commonly use. Once you have entered all your target terms, you can review what you have typed to confirm it matches your monitoring goals. This is an important moment because it determines what the listening tool will retrieve. If you included too many unrelated terms, you may receive results that do not help you. If you forgot a key brand name, you might miss important mentions. Take a brief second to confirm the list reflects exactly what you want to listen for. At this point, you have completed the core setup step. You have selected the listening area, started a new search, and entered your target brand names, competitor profiles, or industry hashtags. From here, the system will begin building your monitoring stream based on those terms, allowing you to see mentions over time in a single place. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.